Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the headset ready and jumping straight into the menu. Put the Quest 2 on, open Quick Settings and go to Settings, then to Hands and Controllers or Experimental Features. Enable hand tracking if you prefer gesture movement, or leave controllers active for thumbstick locomotion. Once done, make sure your controllers are paired and firmware is current. That prevents odd behavior. Now head to the System or App Comfort/Locomotion options to access turning and movement controls, and continue to the next adjustments. You'll now fine-tune how you move and rotate. In the Locomotion menu, pick Teleport for comfort, Smooth Locomotion for continuous movement, or Snap Turn for discrete rotation. These choices change sickness risk and immersion. Then set the snap angle, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, or 60 degrees, or dial turn speed and acceleration if using smooth turning. Adjust joystick dead zone to remove drift and tweak move speed to match your play area. Once you've selected comfort features like vignetting or blinders, test movement in home to confirm it feels natural. Finish by testing your new movement setup in a short, controlled session and pay attention to comfort and responsiveness. Make any app-specific saves because many games override global settings, and recalibrate your Guardian boundaries if your position or floor height is off. If movement still jitters or drifts, reboot the headset, ensure firmware and apps are updated, repair controllers, and verify clear lighting with visible controllers. That single troubleshooting step, reboot and update, resolves most glitches and gets you back to smooth movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.